Hi, I'm Emmanuel Ogba, a seasoned customer service manager with expertise in call center management. Welcome to my channel. In today's episode of Mastering Customer Service, we're diving into a critical topic: how to win back churned customers. Every business faces customer churn. Those moments when clients decide to leave, cancel services, or stop purchasing products. But the real question is, how do we bring those customers back? Winning them back can often be more cost-effective than acquiring new ones, and doing so requires a structured strategy. Today, I'll guide you through the most effective steps to win back your lost customers. There are several reasons why customers churn: poor customer experience, issues like slow service, inadequate support, or unresolved complaints push customers away quickly. Better offers elsewhere. Competitors might lure your customers with better pricing or features. Lack of engagement. When customers feel disconnected from your brand due to minimal interaction, they are more likely to leave. Unresolved issues. When problems remain unsolved, customers lose trust in your business. Once you understand why they churned, you can focus on bringing them back. Not every lost customer is worth pursuing. Focus on those who are loyal, long-term, or high-spending customers. These are the customers who are more likely to return and offer value to your business. The first step in reconnecting with a churned customer is showing empathy. Understand their pain points and why they left. Personalize your outreach to address their specific concerns and show that you genuinely care about their experience. Sometimes, offering a little extra can help spark interest in returning. Provide a special discount, upgrade, or personalized offer that feels exclusive and tailored to their needs. Make sure it's a thoughtful gesture, not just a blanket promotion. If a customer left due to an issue with your service or product, ensure that the problem has been resolved. Communicate the improvements you've made and show that you've listened to their feedback. Use a combination of communication methods: email, phone calls, social media, or even SMS to reach out to lost customers. Different customers prefer different channels, so be flexible and meet them where they're comfortable. Don't expect customers to return after just one touch point. Be consistent and timely with your follow-ups to show that you value their business. However, avoid overwhelming them with too many messages. Strike a balance. Once you've implemented your win-back strategy, analyze the results. Track which customers returned, which offers worked, and where improvements are needed. This will help you refine your approach and strengthen your future customer retention efforts. A great example comes from HubSpot. After realizing many clients left due to the complexity of their software, they revamped their onboarding process. They reached out to churned customers with personalized support and an invitation to try their improved service. This resulted in a significant number of customers returning. In summary, winning back churned customers isn't just about reaching out with a discount. It's about understanding why they left, addressing their concerns, and offering thoughtful solutions. By personalizing your approach and consistently following up, you can turn lost customers into loyal advocates for your business. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more actionable strategies on mastering customer service. See you in the next episode.